Welcome back. In our last video, we covered some common social media risks, and today we're sharing tips on how to use social media more safely. Scammers often use the information found on profiles to try to gain access to users' other accounts. Think about it. How easily could someone on Facebook find out your pet's name or the high school you attended? Since these are common security questions, cyber criminals that have that information could more easily access your accounts. Which brings us to our first tip: be selective when accepting follower requests. Accepting a request from someone you don't know could grant them access to personal information on your profile. If you're trying to grow your following, you can set filters for what different follower groups see for more privacy. Speaking of privacy, when was the last time you reviewed your privacy settings? Social networks periodically update their options, and you might find that your privacy preferences change over time. Review your settings occasionally, especially when you've been notified of a change in the company's policy. Be sure to also check third-party app permissions. These include any app or website that you have allowed access to your social media account, such as a game or website you log into via Facebook, or tools that connect your social accounts to each other. Disconnect any app that you are no longer using to keep your account safe if the third-party app is hacked. Our second tip involves always creating strong and unique passwords. If a hacker uncovers your password to one account, that gives them access to any account that uses the same password. Enabling multi-factor authentication, or MFA, can also add another layer of security to your accounts. Think of your password as a map and MFA as a key. You need both to open your account. And for our final tip, whenever you receive an unsolicited message on social media, be sure to use the SLAM method. The SLAM method is a call to action for you to analyze suspicious messages as a whole. Verify the sender. Check the link's true path by hovering over but not clicking it. Avoid unexpected attachments and scrutinize the message itself. And don't forget, if you notice or suspect something unusual on social media, report it, as this helps to keep the whole community safe. By following these tips, social media can be both a safe and enjoyable way to spend your time online.